Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm glad you've joined us. Today I'm breaking down a super useful topic for anyone building a site on Webflow: how to hide a page using not just one but three different methods. Whether you want to keep unfinished work private, prevent a page from showing up on Google, or restrict access to certain content, by the end of this tutorial you'll have the know-how to choose the best approach for your situation. No confusion, no stress. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is both quick and effective using Webflow's draft feature. Open up your project and navigate to the specific page you want to hide. Once you're there, look for the settings gear icon, which opens the page's configuration options. Now here's the trick: next to the save button at the top, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that and you'll get the option to save as draft. Go ahead and select it. What this does is keep your page visible to you inside the Webflow Designer, so you can keep editing and tweaking it as much as you want. But when you go to publish your site, that draft page won't show up on the live website at all. It's essentially invisible to the outside world until you're ready to go public with it. Don't worry if you don't see an immediate change. Sometimes you'll need to republish your site for the update to take effect. This method is perfect if you're still working on a page, or maybe you're just not ready for it to go live yet. Let's move on to the second method: hiding your page from search engines. This doesn't actually hide your page from people who have the link, but it does prevent Google and other engines from indexing it, which is great if you want to keep something off search results, like a thank you confirmation page or a special offer. To do this, start by going back to your page's settings by clicking on that gear icon. Scroll down until you find the custom code section. You'll want to paste this code snippet right into the head tag area. Meta name equals robots, content equals noindex. What this does is politely tell search engines, hey, don't list this page in your search results. People can still access it if they have the direct link, but it won't appear in Google searches. Remember to hit save after you add the code. This is a really powerful tool, especially for pages that aren't meant to be readily discoverable. Imagine it like putting a do not enter sign on a door. You can still go inside, but casual passersby won't notice it. Lastly, let's talk about using folders and password protection, the third hiding method. This is a bit more advanced, but it's fantastic for situations where you want to restrict access, like for clients, members, or private content. Start by going to your Pages panel. Here you can create a new folder which acts like a container for your pages. Move the page you want to protect into that folder, then select the folder itself and you'll see an option to set up password protection. You can create a password that visitors need to enter to view any page inside the folder. If someone tries to access the page without the password, they'll either see a page not found message or be prompted to log in. This gives you a controlled way of keeping certain parts of your site private from the general public. It's like adding a lock to a room in your house. Even though the room's still there, only people with the key can get in. And there you have it, 3 reliable ways to hide a page in Webflow, depending on whether you want to keep it private, prevent it from being indexed, or restrict access entirely. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own Webflow tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more simple step-by-step web design tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.